What I have here today is the Infinix Note 30 VIP, the racing edition of the Infinix Note 30 VIP. Just look at that. It looks absolutely stunning. So this is exactly the same Infinix Note 30 VIP that I had a few months ago. You remember the one with an AMOLED screen, wireless charging up to 50 watts with reverse charging and JBL sound? Yes, this is exactly that same phone. It's just that this has been designed by BMW Designworks, and to me it looks very nice. So let's take a look at the accessories that come with this phone. Just like the other phone, we have a wireless charger inside here. So this is the 15-watt wireless charging pad, and so the first charging pad does not have the BMW racing stripes. By the way, these stripes, you remember, these stripes belong to BMW, yes, the vehicle. What I noticed first of all is this indentation over here, but the fast charging mechanism is actually inside here, so we'll test if it works later on in the video. What are the other accessories that come with this phone? We have a screen protector, although the phone actually comes with a screen protector already attached, so I think you can remove that and install this. The other accessory includes this hard plastic phone case, and that looks very nice as well. It also has that same indentation over here. We have a card, and I'm curious to know what this card actually offers. We'll also check that out later on in the video. A SIM ejector tool, a USB-A to USB-C cable, earphones, and lastly we have a 68-watt fast charger. These are exactly the same accessories that are available on the Infinix Note 30 VIP, the regular Infinix Note 30 VIP. So this being a special edition phone, does it cost any more than the regular phone? The answer is no. This phone costs exactly the same as the regular Infinix Note 30 VIP, because on Xpac Kenya, this phone goes for 45,500 Kenya shillings. So according to me, I'd rather just get this phone than the original. This one looks much better to me. Since I have a full review of this phone on my channel, I'm not going to repeat myself. What we're going to talk about is the design and take a look at the specifications. And as you remember, I never had the phone case in the previous phone, and this phone case looks very nice. So what I like about this phone is the color first of all, and by the way, you can't find this phone in any other color. This is the only variation of the racing edition, with the black back cover and the very smooth red edges over here. So the box itself has the racing stripes, but the phone actually does not have those racing stripes. And I'm actually shocked to even know that even the charging pad, I thought that the charging pad would have some type of racing design. So the back cover is made of this leather-like looking textured surface. It's not very smooth to the touch. That means that this phone will not slip when on your hands. I like the edges over here with this reddish color. They are very smooth, and your fingerprints can actually show up on these edges. At the bottom we have the headphone jack, the microphone, the USB-C port, and the speaker. And by the way, since this phone has JBL sound, we have another speaker at the top over here. Now what perks does this card give us? Let's scan that with the smart scanner application on the Note 30 VIP. It takes us to this web page, and by the way, I didn't see any of these three colors on the back of this phone. So this seems to be like a different thing. So this is the exclusive VIP experience, and I'm just going to choose Kenya, where I'm from. Every Infinix phone comes with 1 year of hardware repair coverage limited warranty. So with this card, I can get priority service in Kalkia Service Center and tracking my repair status. Those are the perks of the Infinix Note 30 VIP card. The phone is powered by a Dimensity 8050 processor. It has a 32-megapixel front camera and a 108-megapixel triple camera setup at the back. We already saw that in my full review a few months ago. The RAM is 12 GB, but expandable up to 21 GB using the Mem Fusion feature. You just set your virtual RAM over here to the maximum, which is 9 GB. 9 plus 12, you get 21 GB. The internal storage is 256 GB. We have a 1080 by 2400 AMOLED screen, and finally we have a battery capacity of 5000 mAh. So this phone has an accelerometer, an orientation sensor, a magnetic, proximity, light, rotation, gyroscope, and gravity sensor. The temperature, pressure, and humidity sensors are not available, and finally the game rotation, step detector, and step counter sensors are available. And now last but not least, let's check if this wireless charging pad actually works through the phone case and if it actually fits through the indentation at the back of the BMW Racing Edition. For that, I'm going to need the charging cable and the charger. And by the way, please check my Infinix NOTE 30 VIP charging experiment. I have a charging experiment where I compared the 68 watt fast charger with the 15 watt wireless charging pad. And just like before, this green light will turn to red during wireless charging. And yes, wireless charging is working, even with that weird indentation at the back of the phone. So does this wireless charging work with the phone case installed? Let's check that out. Yes, the wireless charging is actually working with the phone case installed. So that's it guys, please check out my Infinix NOTE 30 VIP full review. Thank you for watching, let's meet in the next video and goodbye.